welcome back to the channel. The channel. The channel. Hey, y'all, today we're working on a 2010 Kia Forte. We're gonna replace the alternator, and it's down below. Don't forget, remove your battery first. Take out the negative cable, and then let me see. I don't know if y'all can see the alternator, but it's down here. I didn't get my light today, y'all, but it's down there. So this is the power steering pump. We gotta move that. A few other things, but we're gonna show you. Take that off. Negative battery pump. So it's coming right up. Y'all got 2 bolts. What is size 10?
Yeah.
Right now, we're gonna have to take that out.
I gotta take this fan out.
So yeah, we gotta take this radiator fan out, y'all. They should be size 10s. That's normally how they be. You got let me see. Down here on the bottom, right here on my hand, that it don't have a screw right there. Just sit down in it. So that means you only gonna have a screw. Wait a minute, or do it sit down in? Look like it sit down in on all on. So maybe just gotta move this screw right here, and that's a 10. And looks like it just slide up off of it when you remove your hose out the way. And well, I'll probably remove this 10. I don't know how you're gonna do it, but yeah, move it out the way and just slide up. Yeah, do you think it's a
The alternator slide all the way out.
no, I'm saying, you think it's a bolt down there?
No, they slide, they flip on.
Yeah, that's why I was just telling them. I think they just hook on. Just gotta move this hose right here and unplug this here. Y'all can just see that. And this will stay with the fan. Just pull the whole thing out. Sit that to the side. I need to have me some gloves on. Just
It got antifreeze in it.
Yeah, they got antifreeze in it.
This.
Let me see. Oh, and then unhook this right here, guys. Or do I need to unhook that? Oh yeah, I need to unhook it because it runs on the radiator. Okay, guys, on this fan right here, you got like little locks, little plastic tabs that you just, well, let me get that out of the way. Now I was gonna say, when you put it, I'm gonna show them the lock. Let me hold that fan, that hose back out the way. Hold on, let me take this off. Oh, okay, come up.
Just come up.
Let me take this top off of here. Get it out of the way for a minute.
Tight fit.
That's tight fitting now, y'all. I'll come back when I get it out. Okay, guys, on the radiator fan, this tab right here, you just have to pull it back a little bit. This plastic, so don't break it. Just pull it back. You got one up here and one on the. You got one on the bottom right there too. Once you get that out, then you'll know alternator right here. Right there. So take the belt tension off. Can you see it? What size is it? I don't know if I can get y'all. The belt tension is a size 17, y'all. I'm trying to get y'all. Trying to get y'all down there so you can see y'all.
You got it off?
Hold on. All right, I got it off. And you always can look up your belt routing online, guys, if you forget how it go on here. But I need to show them that tensioner. Let me get out now. Yeah, let me show them. All right, y'all. Ooh. Y'all can see the you can see the wrench on there, but I can't like really show y'all. If I'm gonna try to show y'all, let me see. Y'all see that the pulley that is on? It's kind of dark up there, but it's the belt tensioner. You have to put that on there. Ooh, you have to put that on there to release the belt. I might have to show y'all. If y'all can see this first pulley right here, it's the pulley right below this one. It's the tensioner that you need to put. Alright, guys, we're going to remove this power steering pump. You got 3 bolts in here, and they're size 12 millimeter. And all you got to do is go through these, just line this up right here, and it'll get you on each bolt. Just turn it until you get on each bolt. Then you got one plug right here. This will give you more clearance to be able to see your alternator right now. But you got this plug, just unplug this. And then I got one more screw that I'm about to take out. You ain't even gotta unhook your lines because I'm just gonna fold it back over. You got this line here, high pressure line and this line. So I'm just gonna take it off and just lay it over to the back there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that.
Just gotta pry it out a little bit. Once you get your little 3 bolts out and then hook your thing, so just lay it back here. Let me see. Just gonna turn it up that way. See? Now you can see your alternator better. You see that? You got what size is this?
14.
It's a size 14. You got one on the top and one on the bottom.
They both 14.
But the one on the bottom, you might not. You say you might not have to take it all the way out. You don't have to take the bolt all the way out on the bottom, guys. But
you just loose.
Y'all can feel for it. Down here, it's right down here with my hand at on the bottom of this, right up under this pulley right here. Yeah. Size 14. Yeah. Okay, guys. And you got this screw right here on the alternator that you got to take off, and this is size 12. And you also should have another little wire. Y'all just can't see it yet, but I'm gonna take this one out so I can pull it out. Had it on now. I don't know, I'm using this one.
That plug come on.
Alright guys, got that plug out. Just like that. Then I'll see the other one when I pull it up, but when I take it down, but I can't see it yet. Okay, we pried it out a little bit so I can see the plug.
Pried out a lot.
Well. Okay. Yeah, got plugged out. Okay. And all you gotta do, you guys, take it with like a little screwdriver pry bar and pry it down like that. Just wiggling it on out of there. What's the radiator there? Is it coming up? I'm trying to keep this up out of the way. It's like the screw. I can see the screw kind of turning with it. This is probably a little rusty. Okay, but, oh, there it is. And when you get that up, we're gonna show them how to sit on there. Let's pull it. Move, work it on down over to that way, guys. Okay, y'all see how the screw's still in it? And it
right
just
there,
sits.
push is in and out like a press.
Okay, so you don't gotta take that screw out, but let me show you how to sit in here.
Yeah, take it out and put it in the new one.
I mean, yeah, you see that saddle that is sitting in right here? That screw. So yeah, but you gotta so you gotta take it out and put it in the new alternator. That screw right there, yeah. But what you want to do when it's in the car, on that bracket, like right between here, you take it and you pry it out so it can fold, come down this way. You pry it out, and then you can work the rest of it out. This wiggle and pull, and it'll come on out. So now all we gotta do is go back with it. And maybe y'all can see this tensioner now a little bit light. See the tensioner right here? This is the one you got to put your wrench on to get the slack off your belt. Sit it back down on that little slot there now. And just, where you screw it, screw back through.
Like that.
Let me see. Screw back on here, right here. That'd be a sweet one. Let me come back over here. I gotta plug the plug back up, babe. You can still reach it? That's what I wonder. What? Hold on, let me see. Yeah, that's it right there. So I said I'm gonna pull it down because I had unhooked it when we had it out. So. Okay, got it in there. Hold on, wait before you put it up. Let me go and just put this on too because I can see it better when it's right there. Is it? Get it in. Get it. Come twist it up some more. Twist it all the way till you can't twist it no more while I hold it close. You know I got that little lip on there to fit in that little slot. Okay, now 12. Just get it right on now. Remember that's size 12, guys. Alright? Okay, now you can put it back up. Screw it now. You got a ratchet on. All you gotta do now, guys, is tighten everything back up. It's on the ones on the back.
Yeah, you know, see the silver piece, the bushing.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the AC, the air compressor electrical connector. You have to actually unplug that out your way so you can slide the alternator back. So basically just put all your tabs back in a little bit. That'll help you slide it back in easily, y'all. Slide that tab in.
Wish I had an extension. Hold on, y'all.
Yeah, see that tab, when it's sticking out, it'll make it hard to go back in. Same thing for the alternator too. But this long screw right here go on this bottom, right here, and the other two short ones going up on those two up there. It went back a little bit. And remember, they are size 12 also.
Long one on the bottom?
Yeah, the long one on the bottom. Give me that spot.
What is it?
Oh, in my hand.
Give me what?
In my hand. Oh, they in my hand. I was about to tell you to give me that wrench. I mean, not that wrench, but that ratchet. So, I mean, that is that 12 because I can like stick it on there to tighten my screw up some more. All right.
Let me get it.
All right.
Tell me what it was doing.
Yeah, what?
I don't even know the belt route.
Oh, I told Nick to look online for the belt round, but the battery light was on, and they had put them down in a row.
Left hand get it.
Yeah, that's why I was doing it, because I thought maybe your head was too big to get it. Now, this one go right here, y'all, but it was never, well, I guess it go right there. It was never hooked up. I think somebody had to replace their power steering pump before, because it looks new. It don't look like it's the original one. But hey, so this was just laying here, but I think it's supposed to go there. Somebody broke one of the tabs. But yeah. So, guys, this wasn't too bad, was it, babe? So the only thing you have to take out this fan shroud right here, the hose.
There's no bolts in the fan.
And yeah, ain't no bolts in the fan, just the tab. And then the power steering pump, the clips, and that's about it. So like I say, this job take like about let's just say 2 hours at the most.
Hour and a half.
Yeah, say an hour.
Most cars be rusty. You see how the frame is? If they ain't never had nobody touch it, it be rusty.
I guess it's a little rusty now, but it ain't that major though. Look, the bottom may about to fall out on, like on some car. Whole thing rusty.
That's for the belt.
Alright. Alright, y'all, let's get this belt routing right quick. Yeah, when you get ready to put this fan shroud back in, y'all be very careful, because all this stuff is plastic. So you'll kind of be getting hung up on this and this plastic. Then you need to watch this line right here, because that's plastic, but you're trying to get it on these little pieces right here, the little tabs. So y'all just be careful and watch all your areas when you're trying to come down with it, so you won't break now, especially the radiator.
I need to send that belt down.
Alright guys, we got everything back on. Don't forget to tighten up your hose clamp here and get your belt on. And it's real tight over there, y'all. I'll tell you, it's tight right there. That's kind of working a little bit. And then don't forget to hook your wire up, back up right here for your fan. I'm gonna put this top on because I got this piece here, and that major for the breather, sticking that hole down there. See it up under there? Hold on. Go right in there. Get that back in there. Back on one, should I say? Put your 2 screws back right here, your 2 little tin ends. Where they at? Oh. And then put your battery in there, and we about to get ready to crank it up. And see what's popping. And the 10 that.
Huh?
10
already up there.
Alright, y'all gonna tighten them up. Put the battery. Let me see the battery back on here. Just gotta. Now y'all, when I checked this out, they only had like 10 volts in their battery. And when you got a fully charged battery, you're supposed to have at least 12.6 volts. And they were down to like 10 something. I gave them a jump off, crank it, and I rechecked it. Alternator wasn't charging and the battery light was on. So that's how we get to this point. There go. Alright y'all, I'm about to retest this battery while it's running. It's supposed to say 13 or more when it's running. That'll let you know your alternator is charging. It sounds like they need a pulley over there too, like an idler pulley or something, that noise that I'm hearing. But other than that, battery light off, they good to go. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend, tell your grandma, tell your granddad, tell everybody. Let's search it. We out.